I actually have been keeping a huge secret from you guys. I have a car that I've never told anyone about. Are you guys ready? In 3, 2, 1. We're starting off the vlog today with a huge package in a location you guys probably recognize. Let me go give you guys a quick update on the old Illiminate warehouse and what's going on inside today. Check it out. They redid all the floors after the whole Wangyao or illegal strip club that they transformed this place into. Our homies next door took over and they're redoing everything. If you guys need any appliances or anything, go check them out. They were nice enough to let us ship the new body kit here so that we could save a little bit of money. Let's open this thing up and show you guys what's inside. Whew, all right. We broke down all the boxes and here it is. Got everything all loaded up. Let's head on home. Later, warehouse. See you never. Dude, you guys are freaking gonna love this body kit. It's for one of my cars that I never told you guys that I own. And we're just gonna do a complete transformation on it. I actually have been keeping a huge secret from you guys. I have a car that I've never told anyone about. And today I'm gonna reveal that to you guys. But before we do that, let me show you guys. As you guys can tell, here at Illiminate Auto Body, it is a freaking mess. There's dust, paint, overspray everywhere. And I'm not gonna be painting for a little while. And if we do, setting up actually isn't gonna be that hard at all. Before I reveal to you guys the new car that I've been keeping a secret for a very long time, we're gonna do a little cleanup. I told you guys we are back on the consistent uploads. If you guys have been enjoying the vlogs, give this video a thumbs up. One last look before we completely transform this garage. Let's go. You guys wanna see a magic trick? Watch. LT4. No one wanted to buy this off me when I posted it on Instagram, so it looks like I'm gonna keep it for a future build. I actually have something really cool I wanna put this in. This was originally supposed to be for this car, my Drift R34, but the LT4 actually isn't the best motor for drifting. The LT4 has a supercharger and they tend to get heat soaked very easily because it sits on top of the motor. And in my RB25 that's in there has been super reliable. We're on E85. And honestly, I think the RB25 should just stay in there. I think the LT4 would be really cool for like a wrecked Lamborghini or a Ferrari. What do you guys think? Maybe one day, but until then, she's just gonna sit in that corner while we work on our craft and get better at working on cars. What do you guys think? Would you guys love to see that one day? Let me know down in the comments below. We're also gonna need the help of this, which I don't even know how to use this, but one day we will. How it looks so far?
Looks the same.
Are you guys ready to see the damages that I inflicted on the garage? Oh my God. Look at this. Make sure you mask off your garage correctly. Everything in the middle was okay, But there was a moment where I didn't mask this area. So this is from the beginning. This was the worst though. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna hit everything with some mineral spirits or some acetone. And let's see if that cleans up the mess. We're cooked, chat. This thing is from 2020. Look, I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. I'm gonna wipe it off. We're cooked. All right, we're gonna step it up a notch. Let's see if the acetone works. We're just gonna full send it. Oh, fuck. Is that too much? Let's see. Please. Oh, yes, that is beautiful. Thank God. After hours and hours of cleaning and wiping in acetone, we're finally done. Here it is, guys. The garage is finally complete, and it's the RX-7's first time ever being in here. Oh my God. Remember when I said the GTR was my dream car? The GTR is my dream car on Saturdays. This car is my dream car on Sundays. I'm so glad I bought it back. Nice car, dude. What up? My girlfriend's old coilovers. They're for you?
Yeah.
Nice.
My birthday gift.
Oh, happy birthday.
Yeah, thank
Your birthday's coming up soon. Thank
Your car looks dope, bro.
Thank you. It's like the Facebook Market Demon.
Except yours is better. He's gonna watch this one. Dude, your car looks good. What kit is this?
GT1 and then I have a Type X front bumper.
Nice.
And then interior, scratch racing seat. And I can't afford the real Hitman steering.
Oh, that's cool, bro. Still looks good, man.
Yeah. And then origin lap hood.
Oh, you stylish.
It's just my daily. I had this for like 4 years.
It's a great looking daily, man. Dude, look, the RX-7 looks hella good next to the S13. Type X wing, RX-7 wing. Thank you, man.
Yeah, man.
You guys drive safe. I'll see you guys
Thank you.
later, guys. Some of you guys watching this right now build some dope ass cars. It's crazy that when I meet you guys and I shake you guys' hands at some of these shows, like I don't know what car you're driving. Some of you even have cooler cars than me. Props to all of you guys out there building dope ass cars. Guess what, Marketplace Demon? I found a rival.
Wait, is it exactly like this car?
Better.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Whoa. Look at this beauty. Looks good, huh?
I like the auto shop.
It's back to normal. I like it. Cool. We're back in business.
I know, we closed the business. Illiminate Auto Body shut down.
We're back home.
All right, guys, just as I promised, as soon as we finish cleaning up the garage, I'm gonna reveal to you guys the new car. So let's move the RX-7 out. Are you guys ready? Before I reveal the car, I want to start off by saying that I had no intentions of revealing this car to you guys because it was ultimately my daily. I wasn't planning on doing anything to this car. Well, guess what? Plans have changed, and some of you guys may love this car. Many of you guys may actually hate this car. There's a lot of controversy behind the owner of the brand, but we have a fix for that. And I'll explain to you guys in just a second. You guys are gonna see this car and it's not gonna blow you guys away. But what I tell you guys right after the reveal is gonna make this thing freaking so sick. Are you guys ready? Let's do this. Are you guys ready? In 3, 2, 1. Introducing my Tesla Model 3. Before you guys say anything, yes, this car can be very whack. There's a lot of controversy right now with Elon Musk. I've actually had this car for years. This thing has been in the background of the vlogs. Some of you may have noticed, so please don't flame me for this. I also want to say that the Tesla Model 3 is so freaking ugly, and I hate the way that it looks. But I will say that I absolutely love this thing as a daily. But there's one problem. As you guys can tell, everything on the driveway is pretty freaking sick. But there's just one car that doesn't fit in. If there's one thing you should know about the Illiminate channel is that we've got style. And look at this. This thing looks terrible. Please hear me out just a second. As ugly as this car looks right now, electric cars are new and gas cars may eventually one day die out. But we can't ignore the fact that if we use these correctly, we can also take advantage of them and have an amazing time driving them. Have you guys seen the drift Tesla? Someone's fully converted their Tesla to be able to drift with the handbrake, part shop max, coilovers, suspension, and everything. But it doesn't stop there. I know this is new to you guys and it's new to me too. I actually did not want to love this car at all. It's got full automatic driving. It's a great daily, but think about it like this. Imagine going to a drift event and not having to spend any money on gas. All you gotta do is take your Tesla to the nearest supercharger, charge it for about 15 minutes, and you can go drift all day. And once you're done, there's no oil change. The only thing that you need to do is swap the tires. Think about it, guys. The world of drifting and motorsports is changing right now as we speak. There's also so many mods and new support for the Tesla. We're gonna be installing a new body kit as well for the Tesla, which I'm going to be revealing in this video. I've got a whole bunch of mods for it as well. And a bunch of sponsors hopped on board. And I'm so excited to show you guys the transformation of the Tesla. We're gonna have the freaking coolest Tesla Model 3, period. Now, if you guys have never seen the Tesla Model 3 before, let me show you guys the interior. We've got the full white leather, and I love this thing. I saw online that you can jailbreak this and you can get the full automatic driving. So if you have the rear wheel drive model, you'll be able to turn it into a drift car as well. Just imagine a handbrake right here and you're able to drift with no clutch. I'm a huge lover of having 3 pedals, but this is the daily and I don't mind if we have 2. The torque on this car is freaking amazing. And I've already got a set of work wheels on the way spec'd out for this car. Once we install the body kit, the Tesla's also gonna get a whole new color change as well. Man, this is crazy. I've actually just been keeping this a secret the entire time. Whenever I can, I've just been hiding the Tesla in the back of the house. All right, that's enough of me talking. Are you guys ready to see the body kit? It is freaking amazing. Inside this bubble wrap is the coolest kit ever. For the Model 3. Not only is this the coolest kit for the Model 3, it's got the coolest name as well. This kit is called the Hacker Kit, made by Robot Craftsman. They make a whole bunch of really dope body kits. Let me actually show you guys what this one looks like. Here it is, guys, the Hacker Kit for the Tesla Model 3. Check this out. My favorite pieces have to be the front and the rear bumper. Look at this. The rear diffuser on this looks freaking insane. And look, I've never had a front bumper where the lip actually comes off. That's crazy. I will say I love how aggressive this front lip is. I guess let's go through everything that this kit came with. Right here, we've got the Hacker rear spoiler. We've also got some carbon side skirts. And the rear bumper actually comes with a third brake light as well. Dude, this is actually a really well put together fiberglass kit. Look at this. What do you guys think? I have no idea what this piece is, but we'll find out as soon as we start installing everything. And these pieces go over this. So I think you can install like a LED light. I'm not too sure, maybe we have to purchase it on the website, but these holes will also be able to let us use these sensors on the OEM bumper. Kenny, what do you think?
Looks good.
It looks cool, huh?
Yep.
I'm actually really excited to put this thing together and reveal the new color for you guys. In a couple videos, this thing's gonna be completely transformed. The new color is freaking dope. The work wheels are gonna be fat. A huge shout out to Robot Craftsman for sending us this hacker kit. This is the best looking kit for the car. I'm gonna be honest, I wanted to install this kit today, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Look, it's a little bit more work than I thought. We're probably gonna have to do some body work. I do wanna paint a few pieces, but I do plan on wrapping this car. If anybody has any advice on wrapping, please let me know. But that's pretty much it. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. Also, some of you guys are probably wondering why we didn't get carbon fiber everything. This is a Tesla and I had no intentions of making it look cool. I wanted to spend as little money as possible, so carbon fiber was out of the question. We ended up getting these carbon side skirts for free though, so I'll take it. But there's also a pretty cool hood for the Tesla as well. But like I said, I didn't want to spend any more money than I had to. Honestly, I'm really impressed. Robot Craftsman, thank you guys for hooking us up with the kit. I'm excited to install everything and I guess start on the transformation. Can you guess what color it is, Kenny?
Yes.
Wait, how?
It's right here.
We already have the wrap inside the house. But if anybody can guess the color of the wrap, leave your Instagram and I'll DM you and I'll tell you if you're correct. That's pretty much it. We gotta head to Sacramento right now, but as soon as we are back, the Tesla build will start. That's so cute.
Quentin wins. When he grows up, he wants to be a mechanic.
Hey, wait.
I guess it runs in the family.
Yay!
Congratulations.
You want to be a mechanic like Uncle? What's your favorite car? What car is that?
The R7.
It's R7. Can I see? Wow, you're so good at that.